Good morning, fellow viewers. Today, we of Techno Falcon will be introducing to you our engineering overview. So, starting off with our introduction, which will be consisting of the concepts of engineering, engineering ethics, as well as the importance of cross-disciplinary skills in engineering. Take it away, Ayman.
Hi, my name is Ayman Al-Fadl, and I will be speaking about the concept of engineering. Engineering is a broad and dynamic field that applies scientific, mathematical, and technical knowledge to solve real-world problems and create innovative solutions. First, I'll be talking about the idea of engineering. Engineering is the application of science to the ideal conversion of the resources of nature to be used by humans. Next, I'll be talking about the opinion for engineer Mohammed Toure, who said that the idea of engineering is applying real-time physics, intangible operations, and applying all the theoreticals learned in school to build things. Next, I'll be talking about the difference between engineers and scientists. The function of scientists is to know, while engineers use that knowledge into practical uses. Next, I'll be talking about the opinion of our second engineer, Mohammed Ammar, who said scientists try to find something new, while engineers attempt to meet the demands of the customers. Thank you.
So the idea of engineering in general, or the way I understand it, is applying real-time math or okay, let's say this, applying real-time physics in tangible operations.
Next, we will move to engineering ethics. What is engineering ethics? Engineering ethics is professional ethics as opposed to personal morality. During the past few decades, engineering ethics has been oriented towards protecting the public from professional misconduct by engineers and from the harmful effects of technology. So my question is, how do you manage a situation where there might be a tension between the clients and desire? And from what we can see from engineer Ammar said that most of the company will focus on safety and will argue with the client if the project is not safe, as people's safety is the priority. While engineer Toure said that we need to understand the client's goal and we know the purpose of function of something and evaluate the result to ensure the safety of other people.
So I think you need to focus on safety. So we need to break down on the any project that don't want to uh, focus on safety. Is it
Yeah.
answering your question? Okay.
So you wanna say that in anime projects, safety is number one.
Yes, I
Yes.
think most of the company will have that because most company will have something logo like you can Google safety first. They will prioritize safety first.
So, what is the importance of cross-disciplinary skills in engineering? Cross-disciplinary skills are essential for engineers in order to solve complex problems and also to build an efficient and responsive environment. In terms of software literacy, our engineer Mohamad said that computer programs such as cymatic energy can help to know when, what, or how the problem has occurred, as well as be used to help when explaining to clients. In terms of strategic planning, our engineer Mohamad said that by knowing our end goal and asking ourselves what is the product, how and when do we achieve it. This is also needed when working with other departments to know which steps to be implemented to reach said end goal. My question is like the strategic planning, which is also part of the cross-disciplinary skills in your field. So, what thought processes do you have to do in terms of like maybe resources, risk assessment, or maybe your process reviews? So,
All right,
how do you plan all these things?
I'll try to give a rather simple answer because, as you know, my experience isn't that deep in my field yet. However, what I can say for sure is it's important to discuss with. Okay, so when you're in an organization and you're an employee, you're not the one working alone. Most of the time, you're going to be working with HR. Most of the time, you're going to be working with people that have nothing to do with your own field. So again, as I was telling your friend Ashraf, is the fact that you need to understand what the end goal is, and based on that, now you ask a few questions. And among those questions, you have what is the product or what is the end goal, how should we achieve that, and when should we achieve that. Once that is analyzed, now you break down the steps. When you break down the steps, now you're going to have different departments. You're going to have the engineering section. You're going to have the budgeting section, so which is the financial side of the company is going to take care of that. So once you segment every single step that you need to undertake in order to get to that goal of yours or that product of yours, that's when the task distribution actually happens.
And this is where we end our engineering overview video. So these are our references for our reviews. and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.